Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and activate your GoDaddy website automated messages, ensuring your communication is always on point. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to GoDaddy's homepage. Here, you'll find options for domain names, website hosting, and online marketing tools. Once on the main page, locate the Sign In button, typically at the upper right corner, and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your GoDaddy account. Ensuring your login details are correct will make the process smoother. After logging in, head to the My Products section in the navigation menu. This is where all your purchased GoDaddy products reside. Scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section and click on it to access site-related actions. Next, click on Manage to open the dashboard for your website settings. Within the dashboard, look for the Customers tab and select Automations to manage your automated messages. Under Triggered Automations, you can access a detailed list of automated messages ready for customization. Start by selecting Welcome Subscribers, a common automated message you might want to edit. Next, click on Commerce to dive into settings related to order confirmations and subscriber engagement. Here, locate Order Confirmation and begin editing how this message appears to your customers. You can modify sections as needed, such as updating the welcome message or personalizing text. Pay special attention to phrases like, "Thanks so much for connecting with us," and make sure to replace placeholders like subscribers with actual names if available. Also, verify that contact details such as email addresses or phone numbers are current. Once you've made your desired changes, hit Continue to save and preview your edits. Finally, click on Activate to ensure your updated settings go live on your website. This will enable your automated messages to reflect any new changes you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully edited and activated your automated messages on your GoDaddy website. Regularly revisiting this process can help keep your messaging aligned with your brand and enhance customer interactions. Thank you so much for watching.